RC Racing Innovations here. This is one part of the assembly video for a Black Widow Pro Stock drag bike. This is the servo plate. This is the mounting instruction video. Put your short 440 screws through the top. The holes are tight enough that they actually hold down snug, but if you're like me, you're going to want to make sure that it ain't going to move. Go ahead and put some 440 nylon nuts in there. You can go a little longer on the screws if you wanted. Those are 1/4 inch. You could go 3/8. But that's just a video showing you a quick servo assembly. I'll kind of go over this plate a little bit. Right here is for your ESC. Your ESCs have an on and off switch. For example, Tekin. We'll go ahead and show you that one real quick. As you see right here is an on and off switch. This will slide right over the top and then use some small screws and a nut to lock it down. Or you could double-sided tape it. You could screw it down. Either way works. So you know what that little cutout is. Right here is going to be your mount for your lower recessed servo. Receiver plate, I'm sorry. Here is your receiver plate. That's the one with the rounded radius ends. That's going to mount underneath there. Like that. And you're going to want to get that mounted first before you install this into the car. Makes it a whole lot easier. Bike. It's going to have aluminum standoff. That's going to be under here. And then you're going to screw it on. And that's the access to your receiver. Your receiver is going to be on that lower plate, and you'll be able to access the wires, see if it's on, all through the top. The bigger holes over here, that's going to be for your battery wires. They're big enough that your battery could fit through your battery holes. That's for that. You can run it that way, or you can run it a different way. So there you have the servo / receiver plate mount. Black Widow drag bike Pro Stock. Thank you guys.